We went to the moon, and then we left. For decades, humans visited space, did short missions, and came back. But one question remained unanswered. Can humans actually live in space for a long time? That question is what led to the International Space Station. The ISS wasn't built to go far. It was built to stay. Space is extremely hostile. There's radiation, microgravity, isolation, and no real way to escape if something goes wrong. Short missions couldn't tell us what months or years in space would do to the human body. So the idea was simple, but bold. Instead of visiting space, build a permanent home in orbit. But building something that big in space came with a problem. No rocket on Earth could launch it in one piece. So the station wasn't designed as a single structure. It was designed like a puzzle. Piece by piece, module by module, astronauts assembled it while orbiting Earth at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour. Every launch wasn't just adding hardware. It was testing whether humans could build and repair things in space. That was part of the experiment. Another unusual thing about the ISS was who built it. It wasn't one country, it was many. After decades of rivalry in space, former competitors decided to cooperate, because no single nation could afford or manage something this complex alone. The ISS became a shared laboratory. Astronauts from different countries lived together, worked together, and solved problems together, hundreds of kilometers above Earth. And inside this floating lab, we learned things we couldn't learn anywhere else. We learned how muscles weaken without gravity, how bones lose density, how fluids shift inside the human body, how the brain adapts to isolation. This knowledge isn't just for space. It's helped medicine on Earth, from osteoporosis research to remote healthcare technologies. But here's the important part. The ISS was never meant to last forever. It was meant to teach us how to live in space, how to work together beyond Earth, and how to prepare for what comes next. And now, after decades of service, its mission is almost complete. Not because it failed, but because it succeeded. The ISS isn't just a station, it's a stepping stone. Stay curious, keep discovering, and subscribe for more science.